In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Forms quickly and easily. If you're creating a Google form and want to ensure the dates are displayed in the format that best fits your needs, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this step-by-step process together. First, we're going to start by heading over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and in the address bar type in drive.google.com. Once there, you'll want to locate the new button on the left side of the screen and give that a click. This is where you'll start creating your new form. Navigate through the drop down that appears and select Google Forms. If you haven't created a form before, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Choose blank form from the options available to you. Now that you've got a blank form, let's go ahead and give it a proper name. Click on the default title field at the top of the form window. It's a good practice to choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of your form, making it recognizable for both you and your respondents. Next, you can begin adding your desired questions. Simply click on the plus button on the sidebar where it says questions and start typing in your first question. At this point, it's time to add a question with a date response. On your form, select the question type drop down and choose date. This will automatically set up a field for your respondents to input a date. Now this is where we can further enhance the settings by diving into your Google account. Move over to your account settings by clicking on the icon that represents your account, typically found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Manage your Google account. We're doing this because the date format in Google Forms is primarily influenced by your account's language and location settings. Next, go to the Personal Info tab, then scroll down to find and click on Language. In the Language section, select Edit to make changes. Set the language to English if it's not already set. Specifically, if you aim for the US English date format, your dates will follow the MMDDYYYYY structure. Finally, navigate to the Input Tools section, where you can manage additional language settings. Here, click Add Language and select English if you have not done so already. Be sure to save your changes before exiting. While it's important to remember that the date format is influenced by the user's location, adjusting your Google account's language settings should allow for the proper date format you wish to implement. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on adjusting the date format in Google Forms. I hope it was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.